How to fix DM limit on Twitter app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix DM limit on Twitter app. The simplest solution to fix your DM limit issue on a Twitter app is to wait a certain amount of time, as you've likely reached the daily limit for sending direct messages, which will reset after a set period, usually 24 hours. You could also try sending fewer DMs in a shorter time frame to avoid hitting the limit again. And you could also check your Twitter settings to ensure you haven't accidentally restricted your DM capabilities. So what you need to do is, for that, you want to go ahead and make sure to open up your Twitter application, or you could just go ahead and open up it and then log in. And once you go to your home page, click the profile from the top right, and then you want to go to profile, or you could just go to settings. You should be able to see some familiar option as that. Similarly, after which, what you could also do is you could also try checking for an update. These alternative solution can sometimes be a helpful way to fix your issue. So go to Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Twitter and check for an update that should be able to fix your issue as well. After updating your application, check whether the issue has been fixed or not. You could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. For that, long press the application to the iInfo or the app info section. Then you want to go to the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now cleaning your storage is going to delete the data. However, you could go ahead and tap the OK button, and that should be able to solve your issue as well. And at the same time, you could also go to permission. Make sure that you've enabled all sort of permissions, and after which you should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could just wait for 24 hours, or else you could directly contact the customer support. They will be able to help you out. So to contact support, you could either go ahead and log into your Twitter account, or you could also go ahead and use the browser version. After you're logged into your account, tap the profile and go to Help Center, and here you want to go ahead and select the issue that you're facing. You'll be able to get in touch with them. So that's the way you could fix DM limit on Twitter app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.